Hi everyone, this is Richard. Today I will show you how to integrate XLogin Browser with the MomoProxy. Firstly, let's log into the MomoProxy with my account. And to get some rotating radiation proxies, firstly we should to click the rotating radiation proxy in the proxy setting path and click user proxy. Then choose a location from the United States. Also select the right state or cities and click select session type, sticking or rotating. Then click generate to get the proxy information. It contains hostname, port, username, and password. We can copy one. Then let's download the login US. So we can download the latest version. After download the create new profiles. Just click the new browser profile. Click it and name XLogin which normal proxy. Then we can set the proxy setting. Enable proxy server. Choose the source file proxy as a proxy type. Paste the proxy information into the yes. Now let's test the proxies. Okay, it is connected. Country is United States. City is Weston. Region is California. Let's convert and save the proxy settings and choose language based on IP. Then get render profile. Okay, successfully edit. Okay, now we get a new profile XLogin integrated with MomoProxy. Let's launch a profile. Type the HONA in net. Okay, the IP is the same as before. Yeah, from the personal United States, which is go to the California. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribing.